Good morning, my imaginary friends. This is Monique. Apologies, I haven't been updating as frequently as I should be. And you know, I've been traveling a lot and just didn't really sit down to edit those footage out. I know I'm a little bad with time management, but anyways, I am here to do some updates of what's been happening with my life. I just got this hat not too long ago from a trade show. Yeah, that's that. Okay, the real thing. I got to know a group of Chinese four-wheel drive owners in Australia and joined their WeChat group, a little bit chatting here and there. Been to one of their newbie run kind of thing. It didn't turn out to be newbie at all. I mean, the track was rated as difficult, but everyone went through pretty fine, even though most of them have never off-roaded before. Like, first timer. Maybe because of the vehicles they were bringing. We're talking brand new 200 series Land Cruisers, Mercedes G-Wagons, you know, the kind of cars that came with factory lockers. So yeah, it's kind of funny to how you know it's a group of Chinese is when most of the cars are just so high up there. I mean, like, mine was probably the cheapest. But anyways, this video is not about the newbie run. In fact, oh look, 100 series just passed by. This video is actually about a track that's the opposite as newbie. So a couple weeks later, random Sunday morning, I woke up, saw a message on my phone from Jeff, who was kind of the team lead from that group, asking me to go to phone track, whatever. So I asked Jay, and Jay was like, oh, phone track. That was like where all the patrols get themselves in trouble. Yeah, let's go. So it was very last minute and I wasn't even planning to film anything at all, but this track was just too fun to not share. So I'm going to scramble up my footages from phone and GoPro and just put it together here. It's going to be fun.
Go, 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 go.
Winch would be safe.
Yeah.
Safer.
Forward side, forward side.
Straight. Okay, you're gonna walk up. Turn the wheel out. Turn the wheel. Straight. Oh. Ooh. Hold up.
Go straight, go straight. Go straight. Yeah, go straight, go.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, keep going.
Now steer a little bit. Straight. Even throttle it. Just come towards me. You're gonna be off camera, but just come in straight. Yeah, just keep it straight. Keep the wheel straight. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. That's fine. Keep it going. Slow down a bit. Okay, slow down. You're gonna come driver. By driver. Very slow. Straight down the middle. Stop. Okay, straight up the middle. And now straight. Both knockers on. Gentle. Keep going, that's fine. Yep. side.
Oh.
Okay, slowly. Just keep the momentum, but slow. Okay, slow down a bit, but keep momentum. Hold. Driver. Driver. Okay, straight. Okay, come passenger. Passenger. Okay, straight. Turn, start straight. Okay, yeah, you got it.